All right, guys, we're going to do a little bit of painting today and some paint prep. So what I've done, I went to Harbor Freight. I don't buy much at Harbor Freight, but stuff that I'm going to just put wad up and throw away, I'll buy it at Harbor Freight. So I got me some paper, and I got some gloss white fast dry from Kimballmidwest. I sell for Kimballmidwest, so if y'all want some of this, call me. The best spray paint on the market, bar none. No more than we've got to paint here. We're just going to go with the aerosol can. It's a super fast dry, so if I'm outside, maybe we won't get quite so much trash in it, but we're going to tape this thing up and put a couple of coats of this white here and here. We've already put the black on. We did that with Kimballmidwest Gloss Black. So we're going to get that done and see what it looks like. All right, guys, got my Kimballmidwest paint. You got to shake this stuff for about a minute. I've already shook it a good bit, but sometimes the ball gets stuck in the end because it's so high solids. So you got to really shake that stuff. We got it taped up the way we're going to tape it. I could have spent a little more time taping, but I use this right here. I've already went over this thing with a Scotch-Brite and cleaned it real good. We're just going to take this paint and put us a couple of coats on, and we'll probably just start here at the front and hold our board up. I would recommend a mask. If y'all got a mask, put your mask on. Not necessary, but it wouldn't hurt anything. This stuff's pretty strong smelling. Well, I goofed up. I didn't put my board up there. We're going to finish this up. We'll come back. I'll show you the side of it when we get done. All right, guys. So, got finished. One thing you need to remember, always untape. Don't let it sit overnight with tape on it because it's hard as heck to get the tape off. But it turned out pretty good. We went back and touched up the black a little bit. And for an aerosol can job, it looks good. I still got to go back right down here and get the jacks. I'm going to tape all those off, and we're going to paint the jacks black. I did do that one little section down there black, but then we got to put another coat on the wood on the bottom. We're going to put another coat of the elastoplastic stuff on the roof and brighten it back up. And then we just got to go around and do the rest of it. And we're going to have a before and after video. One of these days it's going to have the whole job completed on it. This was just one side, you know, probably took in the neighborhood of 20 minutes, maybe 30 minutes to tape everything up and spray it on 2 coats. Took not quite 1 can of the Kimballmidwest Gloss White. And if you're not in West Alabama, look up your Kimballmidwest rep in your area. And if you want some really good spray paint, this does a really good job. But anyway, that's just kind of what we done on this side. We're going to do the other side. We're going to do the front and the back. It'll probably take us, I'm going to say 4 cans of white and probably 3 cans of black because the black's just in the strips. So probably 2.5 cans of black and 3 cans of white will probably get us all the way around. Roll of paper from from Harbor Freight and a couple rolls of tape, and you can make something that don't look too good look pretty good. Can't wait till we get finished with it, but be on the lookout for the before and after video. When we get completely finished with it, we'll go through with we're gonna have it all set up with a mattress in it and everything, and I look forward to getting it finished. Got to go back and do a little bit of caulking. Normally I do that beforehand, but I got clear caulking, so we're gonna go around after we get completely through with it and put the clear caulk on it, and hopefully we'll be done here in another 2 or 3 weeks. We're simply going to get in the inside of it and do a little bit more of the walls and get those finished. Appreciate y'all watching.